We're live here at IMTS 2022. The DoALL booth is at 237067. Come down here and check it out. We got some great deals here going on. Some of our show deals we have. You can review us on Google and enter to win an iPad. There's the QR code for that. You can win free blades, coolants, 6-pack of blades, a pail of 1 or 2 for every purchase over $10,000. And you can also get free blades if you purchase over $10,000. Got the machines, some live demos coming up. And we also have a parts special. 10% off on all genuine DoALL parts. So come on and see our booth at 237067 today.